you pretty people, मेरा नाम है वंदिता वशिष्ठ and welcome back to Price Baba. So Realme is trying to expand in the wearable segment with the Realme Watch S series and today I have the Realme Watch S with me. तो मैंने watch पहन लिया, it looks really stylish in my hand. इसको 100% चार्ज कर लिया है, तो डालते हैं इसके specifications पर एक नजर and let's see how the watch functions. And without further ado, let's start the video. सबसे पहले बात करेंगे डिस्प्ले की, तो यू गेट 1.3 इंच स्क्रीन हियर. Touch is pretty responsive too. The Realme Watch S supports auto brightness and you can adjust brightness in 5 levels. तो level 5 की brightness काफी ज़्यादा bright है and can reach as high as 600 nits. तो outdoor scenario में भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी आपको. The watch's body is made of aluminium alloy. तो sturdy के साथ साथ ये lightweight भी है. Straps are made of liquid silicone. It seems light, durable and skin friendly. तो I really like the straps. और साथ ही साथ आपको removable strap मिल रही है and I have the blue, black, orange and green straps. तो काफी ज्यादा वैरायटी आप देख सकते हैं. डिजाइन के मामले में the watch looks premium. It is of black color जो मेरे पास है. It weighs 48 grams. 23 mm की है इसकी width. These are the two buttons given to access the various features. इसके साथ ही आपको मिलता है 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass for protection as well as comfortable touch. अब फीचर्स की बात करें तो अपार्ट फ्रॉम रेगुलर फीचर्स लाइक स्टेप्स एंड स्लीप ट्रैकिंग, इट हैज द PPG हार्ट रेट मॉनिटर which supports uninterrupted heart rate monitoring. Your heart rate is detected every 5 minutes. However, if it is too high or too low, the Realme Watch S will activate an alarm to remind you that there is something wrong. कोरोना के टाइम में checking blood oxygen levels has become very crucial. The Realme Watch S calculates blood oxygen level and it is really helpful. The Realme Watch S also has various other features like the sedentary reminder, hydration reminder which is very important and I loved it, and meditation, relaxing, etc. Realme Watch S can also remotely control the music player on your phone. Users can easily pause and play music. इसी के साथ IP68 रेटिंग भी है, सो ये वाटर रेसिस्टेंट भी है. साथ ही साथ कैमरा कंट्रोल का भी फीचर मिला है जिससे आप ट्राइपॉड पर इनकेस फोन लगाकर शूट कर रहे हैं तो easily you can click pictures. You also have features like stopwatch, clock, weather forecast, date display, dial, cloud, multi-dial, alarm reminder, step goal completion reminder, brightness adjustment, shake adjustment, wear monitoring, etc. Now talking about the sports modes, तो you get 16 different modes, तो इन्हें आप access कर सकते हैं by pressing the second button. तो Realme Watch S supports up to 16 kinds of sports monitoring: outdoor run, walk, indoor run, outdoor cycle, aerobic capacity, strength training, football, basketball, table tennis, badminton, indoor cycle, elliptical machine, yoga, stationary bike, rowing machine and cricket. So in case you play any of these तो आप अपनी sports monitoring कर सकते हैं. It is really helpful. कई फिटनेस बैंड की तरह Realme Watch S का एक्सटेंशन है Realme Link Smart App. सारे फीचर्स का इस्तेमाल करने के लिए use the Realme Link app and sync it and view your complete health data right on your phone. You can also access and change settings as per your preference on the app. अब watch faces की बात करें so you get over 100 watch faces here. Yes, you can see I am showing you a demo and sync होने में भी काफी कम टाइम लगता है. Also I should tell you कि आप अपनी पिक्चर्स को भी लगा सकते हैं from the gallery as a background अपनी वॉच में, which is a really cool feature. अब notifications की बात करें तो Realme Watch S can receive almost all app notifications. It can connect with any smartphone and display calls, messages and third-party notifications as well. Let me mention that this was the only aspect जहाँ मुझे थोड़ी problem आई as I couldn't see my notifications from various apps. Although जब आप scroll down करेंगे तो text ज़रूर देख पाएंगे and the display makes it pretty easy for you to read the text properly. Last but not the least, बैटरी की बात करें तो Realme Watch S comes embedded with a 390 mAh battery, which Realme is claiming can run for 15 days on one full charge and can be charged completely within 2 hours with a magnetic charging case, जो कि आप देख सकते हैं. To sum it up, Realme Watch S has some amazing features with a really premium design. However, there are slight glitches regarding notifications as I mentioned, but I'm pretty sure that the company will fix it with an update. So guys, this was all about the Realme Watch S. कैसे लगे आपको इसके specifications? Do let me know in the comment section below. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई then do like it, share it and subscribe to our channel. As I always say, you know the drill. Till then, this is Vandita Vashist saying goodbye.